Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP video update. Now we did saw a little bit of pump from Bitcoin, but I want to tell you one thing. Be extra careful, and I do think that the technical targets to the down is still pending, and don't get bullish very quickly, okay? Do not get bullish anytime soon. Now the reason is because you can already see that we have the three black rows right over there. So this is three black rows, and you made a little bit of a pull to the upside. You will still end up putting another bear flag on the daily time frame, and you might be looking for SLP to go extra down. So you're taking the top here to the bottom, and you might be looking for a downtrend all the way to 270, and that's gonna be like a drop from there to there. Still you're looking for 28% drop to the downside. So I'm not really trusting anything that Bitcoin is doing right now. I did actually try to take a trade, a very small trade with a very low risk on our signals, and signals is back, guys. If you want to actually join, do come to the Discord, click the announcement and watch the guideline and agreement for signal. If you click on this, you're going to get all the details on how to join the signal group for July. Okay, just 1 month, but you're going to get 14 days of June for absolutely free. So basically I'm not really satisfied with what SLP is doing right now. I do believe that SLP is looking to go down, and you can already see 396 was a very huge level to be broken, and you didn't break it, and you're not back testing the 396 to go to the upside. So that's it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.